Meet MRPeasy, the AI-powered manufacturing software designed for small manufacturers with 10 to 200 employees. Say goodbye to delays with accurate production planning and real-time inventory management. Always promise reliable lead times and deliver on time, every time. Keep stock levels optimized, prevent stockouts, and track inventory movements effortlessly, all in real time. From sales to production, procurement to accounting, MRPeasy keeps your entire business connected. No more juggling spreadsheets or disconnected systems. With easy drag-and-drop rescheduling, you can adapt to changes instantly and ensure a realistic, efficient production flow. Trusted by over 1,500 manufacturers worldwide, MRPeasy helps businesses like yours double capacity and streamline operations seamlessly. Ann Richmond, Development Director, MRPeasy is a lifesaver for small companies like ours. Benjamin Raffiani, CEO of Sox Trot, best value in the small manufacturing space by far. Visit MRPeasy.com to learn more and take your manufacturing to the next level.